Hey, I'm Shay, and in this video I want to show you how I'm making money online by just generating clicks alone. Now, this is probably something you may never have heard of before, getting paid by just generating clicks, or maybe you have heard of it, but you have never actually experienced making money online with clicks yourself. And in this video right here, I just want to show you the reports and the earnings of a new campaign that I recently started only just a few days ago, already making over $300 a day. Alright, so I'm just going to jump in straight away to the first network here, and I have 3 running all together, and I basically split the same traffic source across all 3. So check out some of the numbers here, and RPC, you'll see RPC and EPC, so this is earnings per click, and for this specifically, again, like I said, I'm getting paid for just generating the clicks alone. And one of the other networks that I go to, the third one in fact, is really going to make it obvious. But just for now, I'll just run through some numbers here. So I started the campaign on the 8th, it's May now, and we are on the 11th today, the 11th of May, and we're just barely even through half of the day. Okay, so in this network, already $241.98 there. Alright, I'm just going to jump over to the next one now. This is network number 2. Alright, so the same dates again, May 8th. To today, May 11th, and as you can see, just back to this one, sorry, just to point out again, I was getting paid up to $5 a click in that one, so just back again here, this one I'm getting paid $6.30 per click. Alright, barely any traffic, and this is actually really a cool piece of the puzzle when it comes to making money online with clicks. And that is the fact that you really don't have to generate that much traffic to make a decent amount of money. I mean, especially if you are generating a decent amount of money per click, of course, and I've even got other networks that earn up and closer to $10 per click. So, I mean, even $6 a click isn't even that flash compared to some of the other networks. Alright, so I'm just going to jump over to the final network here that I'm running all in together with these. And if I didn't actually point out, I'll just go back, $264.90 made in that one, same date. Alright, and I'll just expand these main offers here within this single network. I'm actually rotating a few different offers within this one network as well, along with the other 2 networks that I've already shown you. So if we have a look here, same dates again, 8th of May, sorry, and today 11th of May. Alright, so if we look here, the clicks are actually even lower again, but this one, the pages that I was promoting with this network were converting really well still with my traffic, so I sent a little more. So $2.03 a click there, $1.90 per click in this one, $702.18 made total. Alright, and if we even all of that out and to get an average of all of these networks together, it's actually just over $300 a day, and I mean it's already at $300 a day, plus if you add all 4 days together, and like I said, we're not even through the 11th yet, not in full. And I also said that the third network here would make it more obvious how I'm actually getting paid for the clicks. If you have a look here, for example, the 10th of May, right here, so yesterday, 99 clicks, 99 sales. Alright, so really, if we just average that out to 100, and say normally you may be getting about a 10% conversion rate, you know, you would usually see 10 sales, okay, but because I'm specifically getting paid for generating the clicks, it's all basically, it's even across the board here at 100%. On that day, I was getting $1.52 in that offer. Alright, so you can see all the earnings there, and this is actually something that I show my students on a daily basis. I basically put together campaigns I make them work like this. I prove to them, and I really just do it to motivate them to keep going and make their own make money online campaigns themselves. It really keeps them psyched up, keeps them motivated, and they go do it themselves as well. I've already helped so many countless students in the past, and I still do right now today, and they've been able to go on to make, a consistent $100, $200, even $400 and $500 per day plus following my training and support. And again, the point of this video also is to bring this to you and give you the opportunity to see exactly how I'm doing this and much more. You may be looking for ways to make money online, and I know I can help you do that. So if you'd like to see exactly what I'm doing here to, make money by just generating clicks and everything else that I'm doing and I show to my students, all you have to do is take action. Okay, take action as long as you are serious, super serious, and you really want to know. Take action and just click the link at the top of the description. Do that right now. Okay, I'm just going to have a quick bit.ly link right there. It'll be the first thing in the description. So go do that, click that link, head over to my site, and I'll just show my site here. So as soon as you are on my site, all you have to do is just enter in your best email address. As soon as you've done that, then just click the Get Access button here. And what that is actually going to do is I'm going to send out my welcome email to you so you can get access to everything and all the information starting today. I want to help you get started as quickly as possible, so it's really important that you go check the email address that you just entered in on my site. Go check that inbox, look for my welcome email. So that's all for today's video. Go take action right now while I have this opportunity open for you, and I look forward to working with you really soon.